What up? It's Coach Jay here. I'm going to show you how to do the dynamic bird dog. So all we're going to do is we're going to stack our joints. That is hip hinge, boom, fall to the floor. The hip is right above the knee, the shoulder right above the wrist. And all we're going to do is inhale and get our body into a straight line from hand to heel, okay? And then we're also keeping our abs really tight. And then we're gonna exhale and lower back to the starting position. Inhale, extend, again, hand and heel, they're trying to meet each other in one straight line, not one above the other or one hyperextended, nothing like that. We don't need that, okay? Just a straight line. Exhale, back down to the starting position. Inhale, exhale. Whole time again, keeping the core nice and tight, because this is where your stability lies, all right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that either for the time that I set for you or the repetitions that I set for you. But if you see a lap or you see a map, so as long as possible or as many reps as possible, which simply means maximum, whatever you got in you, okay? You're going to start with the strongest side. So if my strongest side is my left arm and my right leg, like I can literally do the repetitions longer on that side, that's where you start. And then the weak side has to mirror what the strong side does, so they're even from side to side. However, if I put in your plan that you need to do 40 seconds on both sides, then stick to that, because everything is tailored specifically to your body, whatever I do, okay? Your breathing is simple. It's inhale, extend, exhale, come back down to the starting position. Now, the more intermediate to advanced you are, you're simply gonna tap to the ground and come right back up. Doesn't take a lot of time to rebalance yourself. The stronger you get and the more you're able to stabilize your core. So for the intermediate advance, it would look more like this. Inhale, exhale, tap up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Okay? So that's how you do the dynamic bird dog.